Hi, my name is Muhammad Aziz bin Harizal and my student ID is 012-025-071015. Today I will be talking to you about the data analytics ecosystem for startup. There's a lot of startups for universities such as universities calendars, also exam schedules, campus events, and also campus online communities. We are the unconventional data sources.
Hi, my name is Sabrina binti Mama Adri. I am from Diploma in Management and my part is the data insights, data cleaning for market insights. Now, data cleaning is important because it can help a business to understand their market, their customers, and their competitors. Now, based on the scenarios, these are the three methods that they can use to handle the missing addresses. First is imputation. Imputation means replace it with mean, median, or mode. Mean cannot be used on addresses, and because of that they should use mode or predictive values. The meaning of predictive values is as it is predictive. For example, when a loyal customer orders something and they did not put an address, the system can just check their past history orders to see if they have been using the same address. And if they have been using the same address, they can just use that one to send in for their latest delivery. This is an ethical way because you can use clues that the customers already gave you in the past. Second is flagging. Flagging is to fill in the blanks. There's no address? Okay, fill in the blanks with not provided, missing address, or it's just simply n/a. This is because it's the most honest way you can show your customers that you are not hiding anything, and it can show that the information is not made up and it's really empty. Third is delete. However, this method can only be used if the data percentage is low. In this scenario, it's high, which is 30%, and because of that, they cannot delete rows. They cannot delete it completely. They should delete columns instead. That way, they can keep up with the user's shopping history, but at the same time, delete missing addresses for specific analysis in the future. Next is to design a step-by-step process to eliminate duplicates while still preserving valuable customer history. Now, the first step is to identify the duplicates. This can be done with a data cleaning tool. For example, in the data cleaning tool, there's a script. When making the script, you have to tell them to look for key identifiers such as ID, email addresses, phone numbers. Second is make sure your algorithm of the system can match data. Why is it? It's so that it can automatically search for duplicate data and it will save your time when you want to eliminate duplicates. Third is consolidate, which means merge. So instead of removing rows, you can just merge the duplicates in order to prevent loss of history. Third, the next part is how would you prepare this clean data set for a regional demand analysis region. So for me, I would use categorization for city and states, or groupings of time and season. The city and state categorization is because we cannot see regional trends by looking at the houses individually. So by categorizing them with states, you can picture categorizing them in states, it helps you to know what kinds of things that they actually have to offer. So the second one is time season grouping. What is it? These are like the time and season are like shopping seasons, back to school. With this grouping, it helps to connect where consumers are buying along with when they are buying. This thing is also called temporal aggregation. Aggregation means to on top of that, if we combine both, which means the state categorization and the season grouping, we can spot both seasonal demands and trends. For example, people from Shah Alam city are getting their back to school supplies season earlier than usual due to economical changes recently. Well, that's all from me. I will pass it to the next part. Bye.
So Assalamualaikum madam. So I want to present about the question 3 A dan B, about the predictive technique for user charm. So to predict user charm, we use to predict technique. First is decision tree, which I analyze customer behavior and identify who are likely to leave the platform. Second is clustering, which group customer based on similar behavior. This technique help business understand pattern and improve retention. So next is business strategy to reduce churn is based on the predictive insight with the proposed 3 strategies to reduce churn. First, personalized promotion to encourage to stay active. Second, improve to customer support to experience. Third, using gamification such as reward points and budgets to increase the engagement. This strategy help improve customer retention and profitability. So that's all for me.
Good morning, my part is question 4. Now I will present the customer segmentation analysis using a heat map. This visualization shows the relationship between different age groups and their preferred eco-friendly materials. The darker the color, the higher the level of preference. From this heat map, we can clearly see that younger customers aged 18 to 24 tend to prefer recycled plastic products, likely due to higher environmental awareness. Meanwhile, customers aged 25 to 34 shows a stronger preference for organic cottons, possibly because of comfort and lifestyle choices. On the other hand, age 35 to 44 groups prefer bamboo fibers, which is known for its durability and sustainability. The reason we choose heat map is because it allows stakeholders to quickly compare multiple variables at once and easily identify the patterns. This helps the business make better decisions in terms of product development and targeted marketing strategies. And for the B, I will explain about the monthly sales comparison between recycled product and non-recycled product using by a line graph. The graph shows sales trends over time, with the x-axis representing the month and the y-axis representing the sales volume. There are 2 lines, one for recycled product and another for non-recycled products. We can observe that the sales of recycled products are steadily increasing over the month, especially after April, which may due to eco awareness campaign or increased consumer interest in sustainability. In contrast, non-recycled products show a declining trend, indicating a shift in customer preference. This type of visualizations is useful because it clearly shows trends change over time, allowing stakeholders to evaluate business performance and make informed decisions. Overall, this analysis highlight the growing demand and for sustainable product, which is an important factor to attraction investors and supporting long-term business growth. In conclusion, both visualizations provide a clear and actionable insight that helps the startup better understand customer behavior and market trends, supporting more effective and data-driven decision making. That's all from me, and thank you.
Hi, my name is Silamba Jisivanisuin. I'm from Faculty of PMP, Program Diploma in Management, and I choose question 5. And for the answer A is data collection framework. The ride-sharing startup collection data from 3 main sources to improve its operation and customer services. Customer data including ride history, booking patterns, popular tourist and destinations, and customer feedback is collected through the mobile application to understand travel behavior and demand trends. Operation statistics such as driver GPS location, cancellation rates, and completely trips are gathered in real time to monitor performance and improve driver allocation. External reports like weather update, flights, and train schedules on local events are obtained through API intelligence to help predict changes in tourist activities and ride demand. For answer for question B is to predictive analyze uses cases. The company use predictive analyze to improve efficiency, profit, to dynamically pricing search engine, analyze study ride data and real-time drama. Real-time demanded automatically adjust prices help to increases revenue and ensure driver available. At the same time, the proactive driver positioned model forecasted hours where ride demand is expected to rise within the next 30 to 60 minutes, and it guides drivers to those locations in advance. As for answer C, question C, investor dashboard mockup. The investor dashboard provides a real-time insights into business performance through several visualization. A city heat map display live ride demand, available drivers, and search pricing zone across different areas. A supply-demand gap chart compares ride quickers and completely rides over the previous 24 hours, helping management identify periods. Also include live KPI gas that tracks important metrics such as revenue and average customer waiting time. Investors and managements to monitor profitable operation efficiency and customer satisfaction. That's all for my part. Thank you.